You know the cost of your product, but do you know what goes into that cost and why? For textiles, raw materials account for the majority of production outlay. Processing, whether open-end, ring, or air-jet spinning, determines quality and affects cost. Yarn count, number of twists, doubling of yarns all impact the look, feel, durability, and cost of the product. Weaving options, types of looms, thread count, weave patterns change the quality versus cost dynamic yet again. Bleaching, which chemically changes the natural state of the textile into a white finished product with agitation, temperature, and chemical concentration, needs to be done correctly to keep from damaging the organic fibers and for color consistency. Different methods of dyeing affect product quality. Reactive is your least expensive choice, while vat is more expensive but will keep color from fading. In the cutting and sewing phase of the process, stitch type, stitch thread, and number of stitches all affect the performance. Lock is the recommended stitch, because if one stitch comes out, only that one is affected. Finally, factor in packaging, shipping, international freight and transit logistics, customs taxes and duties, all aspects of the final cost of your product. Contact Calderon to better understand impact of cost on products.